subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Yeah, you're welcome back to my channel. I still remain Jadsax, the saxophone tutor and instructor here in this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to please make sure you press on the subscribe button, and just beside it you see a notification bell. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime a tutorial drops here in this channel. And of course, for your one-on-one intensive saxophone training course programs, you can send a DM or call the number right on the screen. And as part of development in this channel, I've come up with a weekly program tagged You and the Saxophone. This program usually comes up live here in this channel every Fridays, 7 p.m. West African time. So it's an interesting program. You and the saxophone always connect. To take us further in our tutorial here in this channel, I'm going to teach you some tips and most important thing you need to know about your vibrato technique. Just like I said, I'm going to teach you vibrato technique. Now, what is a vibrato? Okay, vibrato is a wave-like playing technique. Yes, it is a wave-like playing technique. And of course, why is it said to be a wave-like playing technique? Because it causes disturbance in a medium. You get what I'm saying? It causes disturbance in a medium. The disturbance can mostly be referred to as a constructive disturbance, as both the disturbance and the medium through which it disturbs travels in the same directions. Yes, as they both travels in the same direction. And of course, it is constructive in a sense that it adds some melodies to spice your notes. All right, for instance, this is the medium of your legato, straight. Okay? And all of a sudden, you want to apply your vibrato, the wave-like playing technique. Then you begin to have it this way. Is that okay? This is the vibration you are causing to this medium. Is that okay? And of course, just like your wave motion, vibration has both crest, trough, wavelength. Here, the up side, you refer to it as your crest. This is the crest. And the downward movement here, the one you refer to as your trough. Okay? And of course, the distance between two successive crests or two successive trough is what you refer to as your what? Your wavelength. Here we have as our trough, and here is the crest. Now, two successive difference distance between the trough or the crest is what you refer to as your wavelength. Of course, there must be an amplitude in the course during the course of the vibration. Are you getting it now? I said crest is the uprising of the vibration, while the trough is the downward movement during the course of the vibration. And of course, your wavelength is the distance between either the two successive crests or trough. Look at the vibration you've caused while you are trying to do a vibrato on the saxophone. All right, and now, how do we get this vibrato technique achieved on the saxophone? It's very simple. This can easily be achieved or done on the saxophone by the upward and downward movement of your jaw. Something like this. Yes. Now, of course, you can use this technique. Very simple, like wow, 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 wow. You notice what? There is a movement in your jaw, right? Both upward and downward. Wow, 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 wow. Right? Good. You remember, I said it's just like a wave motion, right? Which causes a disturbance in a medium. The real medium supposed to have been whoa, which is your legato, right? Whoa. Now, but because you are moving your jaw up and down, it's causing a kind of disturbance to the medium which is traveling, right? Wow, 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 wow. Now, wow, 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 wow. So this can also be applicable on the saxophone. And this is how you get that done. Okay, now, okay, I'm pressing down my middle C now. Look at it. This is legato, straight. Now, I want to achieve the vibrato now. See, I'm going to start. I'm going to start it vigorously, and you're going to feel the effect. You can see how my jaw is moving up and down. All right. Now, this is vigorous. Of course, there will be need for me to stabilize it. So that is how I will now be going gently. There is still need for me to stabilize it. So I'll be reducing the pressure. That is how you can get your vibrato done on the saxophone. Simply first start by moving your jaw up and down. You are going to feel the effect vigorously at first, but you try to be reducing the pressure, then and so on and so on. Before you know it, it stabilizes and you get your vibrato well. All right. Now, just remember, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications for further trainings that will be coming your way here in this channel. See you in our next tutorial class.